Daily use common questions in AMP. Answers. How are you?
How are you?
What's your name?
What's your name?
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
What do you do?
What do you do?
Are you busy right now?
Are you busy right now?
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Do you have any siblings?
Do you have any siblings?
What's your favorite color?
What's your favorite color?
Have you been here before?
Have you been here before?
What's your favorite movie?
What's your favorite movie?
How was your day?
How was your day?
Do you need any help?
Do you need any help?
Where's the nearest bus stop?
Where's the nearest bus stop?
What's your favorite hobby?
What's your favorite hobby?
What's the date today?
What's the date today?
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
What's your favorite season?
What's your favorite season?
Do you have any allergies?
Do you have any allergies?
I'm good, thank you.
I'm good, thank you.
My name is John.
My name is John.
I'm from Delhi.
I'm from Delhi.
I'm a teacher.
I'm a teacher.
Yes, I'm a little busy.
Yes, I'm a little busy.
My phone number is.
My phone number is.
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
Yes, I have 2 siblings.
My favorite color is blue.
My favorite color is blue.
No, it's my first time here.
No, it's my first time here.
My favorite movie is Batman.
My favorite movie is Batman.
It was good, thank you.
It was good, thank you.
No, I'm fine. Thank you.
No, I'm fine, thank you.
The nearest bus stop is.
The nearest bus stop is.
Reading is my favorite hobby.
Reading is my favorite hobby.
Today is August 26th.
Today is August 26th.
Yes, I can speak English.
Yes, I can speak English.
My favorite book is book.
My favorite book is book.
My favorite season is winter.
My favorite season is winter.
No, I don't have any allergies.
No, I don't have any allergies.
I have no idea.
I have no idea.
Have you wound the watch?
Have you wound the watch?
I am feeling tired today.
I am feeling tired today.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
Sorry for the inconvenience.
How dare you?
How dare you?
Let's catch up.
Let's catch up.
Why are you upset?
Why are you upset?
Good day to you, sir.
Good day to you, sir.
Follow me.
Follow me.
He owes the shopkeeper 50 rupees.
He owes the shopkeeper 50 rupees.
What a bother.
What a bother!
Do me a favor.
Do me a favor.
We will break but not bend.
We will break but not bend.
Get out of my sight.
Get out of my sight.
Have a good trip.
Have a good trip.
Rest assured.
Rest assured.
This doesn't behoove you.
This doesn't behoove you.
What do you want from me?
What do you want from me?
Come with me.
Come with me.
I have to leave early today.
I have to leave early today.
He had a narrow escape.
He had a narrow escape.
What are your likes and dislikes?
What are your likes and dislikes?
What are you talking about?
What are you talking about?
Join me.
Join me.
I have no alternative.
I have no alternative.
I feel much better.
I feel much better.
Do I have to?
Do I have to?
The examination is on my head.
The examination is on my head.
Enjoy yourself.
Enjoy yourself.
It's my pleasure.
It's my pleasure.
What nonsense!
What nonsense!
Don't be ridiculous.
Don't be ridiculous.
I did not understand.
I did not understand.
Where are you from?
Where are you from?
I got it.
I got it.
I wish you well.
I wish you well.
Everything is fine.
Everything is fine.
Are you kidding?
Are you kidding?
Good morning.
Good morning.
I dropped in casually.
I dropped in casually.
Daily exercise makes you fit and healthy.
Daily exercise makes you fit and healthy.
God bless you.
God bless you.
I do not understand.
I do not understand.
Whatever he says is not true.
Whatever he says is not true.
Do you speak English?
Do you speak English?
Don't be so childish.
Don't be so childish.
I'm sorry.
I'm sorry.
I don't have a single paisa.
I don't have a single paisa.
Read the sentences carefully.
Read the sentences carefully.
That's so kind of you.
That's so kind of you.
Good heavens.
Good heavens.
It's none of your business.
It's none of your business.
I beg your pardon.
I beg your pardon.
It's all yours.
It's all yours.
How disgraceful.
How disgraceful.
I'm at the office.
I'm at the office.
He had no money.
He had no money.
His words have weight.
His words have weight.
Would you please speak slowly?
Would you please speak slowly?
Wonderful.
Wonderful.
What are you doing?
What are you doing?
Rod is the logic of fools.
Rod is the logic of fools.
Please come as soon as possible.
Please come as soon as possible.
A crease is formed on the.
A crease is formed on the.